There's my boat. I'm just about to board it. Got my gear down there, look. Thinking, well, gear, that's only a little bit of it. That's only a short video.
How we, the journalists at the BBC, cover Brexit. Chi-Chi is undo.
Well, I've made it on board the boat. You can see it's getting a bit dimpsy there, so I'll put some lights on. For kitchen, some of the supplies that we've got. I'll put some more in there. Bags of crisps. That'll be for me. Nah, this'll be for me. Nobody can pick that up. All the beer. I've got more in the cupboard in there. So, but it looks like a bloody storm's coming in.
I feel the BBC's coverage
of tomorrow.
has been scaremongering and
Got
very
my
negative.
laptop set up.
It's about time we show the positive aspects of leaving the EU and getting behind our businesses. They don't realise
I can hear something now, I don't know where it is.
knew what they were voting for.
This will be where Jay will be sleeping. This comes out into a double bed.
We're not going to be able
And
to
it's quite handy, it's right by the fire.
I've been in business 20 years.
Just forget that.
British furniture
I can feel the heat
Sam's
already.
company is
It's nice
based in
and warm
Wigan.
in here.
Brexit will mean big changes, but upon
I
reflection,
got the telly on,
it'll be a good thing.
as you can see.
Most people look at Brexit as being a negative because everybody buys from Europe. I think Europe's the only place in the world to buy anything. It's the opportunity we've got for people to start saying, you know what?
See, I've got to swing around that corner with a 60-foot boat. It's a bloody tight thing. Oh, got some friends come to look at me.
Seems clear. The coverage of Brexit has been too negative. There's been too much of what many call Project Fear. There should be more about the benefits of leaving the EU.
Not everyone
As soon as
agrees.
I went
Tony,
out
for
the
sure,
front, they
thinks
came
that
to the
way
back.
more
They're
attention
after
should be given
food,
to the
aren't they?
positive impact that investment from the EU has had on this country, and what happens after it's gone.
See, lots of speakers for the radio, but I don't bother with the radio. I've got music on my computer, and I've got the telly, which I can tune into music channels and
We've come to the new
everything,
extension
you
of
know.
Manchester's Metrolink.
As you can
This
see,
network's been
I've
assisted
cracked
with
the can
cash,
open already.
as well as access to preferential EU loans.
I'm going to have that and then have a Guinness later on. Yeah, you see,
So we've been in receipt of a
it's
lot of
only
money
about,
over a long period of time. Yes.
what time is it? 10 to 5?
Okay, thank you.
For Tony, the EU has reinvested UK money in areas
I'll set that
too often
barometer
neglected
because
by West
I think there's a low
For
for a
Marie,
storm
that's what
coming
the
in,
UK needs to
according to
spend
the
on its
bloody
own
forecast.
It's true.
Uh,
Does spend money.
because that's down there, I've got no lights on down there.
We didn't have to give so much.
My bedroom at the back, bathroom in the middle.
Britain. Great.
That's my cooker.
Westminster will
Yeah.
provide that. There are clear benefits for staying in and being a member
Kettle
of that club.
for my coffee in the morning,
We will
my sink.
So those are just some of
I
the
could hear
audience
something
calls,
going on, but I don't
focus
know what it
audience
is.
members have been invited to talk to
Of course,
editors
I've
and
got
the programme makers about
Jay's
what they want to
tea
get from
bag.
Brexit. And now we're about to talk to one really
She
big
said
BBC boss,
Tesco
Mark
tea
Arnold,
bag.
whose job it is to
So
direct
Tesco tea bags it is.
editorial on our news. Come on, why did you feel it was important to have audience members in amongst
There's a
your
boat
editors?
next door to me, on that side. City of Nottingham, that boat's called. This boat on this side.
And I think there's a second point,
Yeah.
which is
And when I come back, I've got to get in between them two boats, look.
so
Well,
we thought we wanted to
more up to that pole.
get the audience in and to actually listen to what they want. Because
Bit
our
tight.
job is to
Oh, we'll do it, we'll manage it.
and useful to
Anyway.
our audience. So it really came from that idea.
That's today, Friday, we're not setting up until tomorrow towards Birmingham.
And also,
So I'll try and film most of that if I can.
let's
So I'm going to say good night.
let's show how we
Cheers
do things
then.
and let the audience decide.